Hi, my name is Aslı Mutlu from Bodrum, a coastal town in Turkey. I do hands-on Turkish home cooking classes in my house. In cooking classes Bodrum, we take our visitors to a farmer's market right before our cooking classes. At the market, they will experience local food shopping and tasting. We grow a lot of vegetables and olives in this part of our country. This is why many of our tasty dishes are cooked with olive oil. At our classes, people love learning to cook very healthy food and love meeting like-minded people from all around the world. It is a great way to understand cultures through food and a great way to spend a day.